Hello, I'm Amaryllis and today I will show you how to sew fabric pumpkins. You will need fabric for your pumpkins, for the leaves and for the stem, and obviously you will have to download the pattern. The pumpkin patterns comes in 4 sizes. I will show you how to make large, medium, small and mini pumpkins. You can find the link to download the pattern in the description. Then print the pattern and cut out the shapes. Take the orange fabric and place the pumpkin pattern on it. Use a fabric marker to report the shape. Cut the shape, adding a seam allowance of 1 cm all around. Just showing you the seam allowance I added. Cut more pieces using the same pattern shape. You will need 5 shapes to make a pumpkin. Take 2 shapes and place them on top of each other. Align the edges and pin them together. Sew on one side following the line. Remove the pins and cut out the thread. This is what you must have at this point. The 2 first pieces are sewn together. And you will repeat the same process to sew the following pieces. Take a third piece of fabric, align the edges and pin it. And again you will sew following the line. Now 3 pieces are sewn together. And you will have to repeat the previous step to sew the last 2 pieces. At these steps, all 5 pumpkin pieces are sewn together. So now you have to make a last seam to close the pumpkin. Align the 2 last edges together, pin them, and you have to sew them, leaving a gap in the center. So you are able to turn the pumpkin right side out and to put the filling in. Sew on this side and then on this other one and leave the center open. Turn the pumpkin right side out. And this is the shape you must have at this point. Get the foam filling and start stuffing the pumpkin. Add the cushion filling until you have a nice pumpkin shape. You now will have to close the opening. Align the edges and hold the opening closed using a few pins. And make a seam using invisible hand stitches. This is how your pumpkin shape looks like, and this is the medium size if you wonder. To give the pumpkin its nice shape, you will need embroidery floss or yarn. With a needle, pass the yarn through the pumpkin center. So the longer the needle is, the easier it is, of course. When you pass the yarn through the center, wrap it around the pumpkin and make a knot. Pull a little the yarn so you give the pumpkin its nice shape. Arrange a little the fabric, and then you can cut the yarn extra length. And you do the same 4 more times to give the pumpkins its final shape. When you are happy with the shape, you can cut the extra yarn length and you can slide the knots inside the pumpkin to hide them. Time to make the stem and a leaf for your pumpkin. You can choose to make the leaf with felt fabric or with regular fabric. If you want to use regular fabric, you will have to work with a fusible lining. So place the adhesive lining on the back of the fabric and press. So both fabric will stick together and the fabric you will use for the leaf will not fray. Place the leaf pattern on the back of the fabric and report the shape. And cut the shape out. To make the stem I used brown felt, but it will work with any kind of fabric you like. Cut a larger piece of fabric and fold it in half, pin together and sew following the line, leaving the bottom open. Remove the pin and cut out the extra fabric as close as you can from the seam. Turn the piece right side out. Add a little filling inside so the stem will have a nice shape. Attach the stem on the pumpkin with a few end stitches. Take the leaf and fix it on the pumpkin with a few end stitches too. You have two different leaf sizes in the pattern, so you can add whatever you want on your pumpkin, and you can also choose to add several leaves on the same pumpkin. And done! This is what the medium-sized pumpkin looks like. Let me show you the large size pumpkin. This is the medium size, but with a velvet fabric. Here goes the small size pumpkin. And to finish, the mini pumpkin. I give you another idea if you want to give your pumpkin a natural touch. You can use a branch as the stem and some fall leaves. Cut the branch and use hot glue to fix it on the center of your pumpkin. Same for the leaves, add a dot of glue and fix them on the pumpkin. And done! Tell me in the comment which one you prefer. Do you prefer the full fabric pumpkin or the one with a natural touch? Do not forget to like and follow for more sewing tutorials and craft ideas.